Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of new contacts from Zoho CRM to Trello. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho CRM to other systems. For example, in Trello you can create new cards, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose Trello as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Create card. At this stage, you need to connect your Trello account to the ApiX-Drive system. At this stage, you need to log in to your Trello account. Specify the login and password of your personal Trello account. Now you need to give ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Trello account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Now you need to select the board on which you want to create new cards for each new contact from Zoho CRM. Then select List. Now, you see the Trello fields for creating a new card. You can assign variables from Zoho to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Trello as new cards for each new contact from Zoho CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Trello. After successful submission, go to Trello and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the setup for receiving Trello data successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.